Chair, I wish to bring back Colonel Asherto.
Colonel Asherto.
Yes, ma'am. Present po.
Colonel, can we have your monitor, your video?
Meron na po.
Technical group, please. Secretariat, can you...
Colonel, kanina po you were asked by the Honorable Flores, what really are the contents of your investigation report? I want to bring back this question because I do not understand why the former president has to reach that point that he made a pronouncement through the publication, which includes Malacanang offers 10 million for capture of Eduardo Asherto. And then Duterte asked military police, why is Asherto still alive? This is from Inquirer, Colonel. Ano po ba talaga ang laman ng investigation report ninyo for the President to make these extreme pronouncements?
Salamat po. Magandang hapon po ulit. Ang una pong report na ibinigay ko na natanggap ni Chief PNP Bato de la Rosa ay ang title po is Special Report Johnson Chua Drug Trafficking Syndicate. Dito po, binanggit ko lang po rito yung tatlong personality, si Johnson Chua, si Michael Yang, at si Alan Lim, na si Lin Wenqiong. Parang ang purpose po ng report ko is ipaalam ko sa aking mga superior na itong dalawang taong ito, si Michael Yang at si Alan Lim, ay mga involved sa droga. Sa unang report po is hindi ko pa binabanggit dito yung closeness nila kay Presidente Duterte at that time. Ang purpose ng talaga nito is ipaalam sa kanila itong dalawang tao as ay involved ay drug personalities na iniimbestigahan namin. Yun po ang purpose ko, ipaalam sa kanila at humingi ng kanilang advice kung anong magiging kung anong magiging instruction nila sa akin, kung itutuloy ko yung investigasyon o hindi. Yun po yung pinaka-basic ng purpose ng report ko. Kaya lang po, hindi po pinansin. So, nagbigay po ako uli ng report kay Chief PNP Oscar Albayalde. Ang nakalagay naman ng title report doon is is Michael Yang and Alan Lim, person of interest in illegal drugs. Dito po is nabanggit ko na po rito na lagi po sila nakikitang kasama si Presidente Duterte. Ito na po yung pinaka summary ng report na sinasabi ko na itong dalawang tao na involved sa illegal drugs ay malapit kay Presidente Duterte. Wala rin po nangyari. So, hindi po nila po binigyan ng feedback. Walang instruction ko anong gagawin. Hanggang sa, ayun na po, gusto na ako ipapatay. At ang una po kasing nagbanggit ng pangalan ni Michael Yang sa publiko ay si Presidente Duterte mismo. At ang kanyang sinasabi ay si Michael Yang, ano lang daw siya? Addict lang daw siya. Hindi naman po yun ang laman ng report ko. So, nung lumabas po yun, talagang naisip ko na talagang ipapapatay na talaga ako dahil na-booking ko yung kanilang connection.
Colonel, with all due respect, Colonel, from your own admissions, ang sabi niyo po dun sa first report, basic lang. You made mention of the names of Michael Yang, Johnson Chua, and Alan Lim. And seemingly, you're asking for further investigation. Do you confirm this?
Opo. Kasi po, attached po dun sa report na yon ay yung information report na nakadetalye na po yung revelation yung revelation ni confidential informant Panther.
And if I may continue, Colonel Asherto, on the second report that you sent to them, what you cited is the close relationship of the former president to Michael Yang. Do you confirm this also?
Opo, opo. Kung
Tapos
gusto niyo po,
kanina
basahin ko
po-
po yung first paragraph.
If I may continue, Colonel, please allow this representation to finish first. And we will lead towards that narrative of your asset or informant. Kanina din po, Colonel, tinanong din po kayo ni Congressman Keith Flores, anong evidence do you have against these people? And your answer were simply, si Johnson Chua at saka si Alan Lim were involved in drugs back then. And these two people are associated with Michael Yang, no? So, if I will be basing my appreciation from those statements, parang meron pa ho akong gustong hingin sa inyo. Colonel, ano po yung ultimate facts na nag-gather nyo which made you believe that these people are really involved in the drug trade? Or should I say, ano po yung pinakamahalagang laman ng investigation report ninyo, Colonel Asherto?
Ang pinaka-importante po siguro ng laman ng report ko is yung closeness, yung pagiging kaibigan ni Presidente Duterte kay Michael Yang sa kay Alan Lim.
And you believe that this is the reason why the President took that report so negative against you to the extent that he offered 10 million for your capture and he's asking the police why you're still alive? Yun po ba yung dahilan? Dahil dinisclose nyo na may close relationship ang Presidente kay Michael Yang.
Wala na pong iba.
Kanina po, Colonel, may binabanggit po kayong narratives nang galing sa inyong asset which implicates these personalities into drug trade. Maari nyo po bang ikwento sa amin yun?
Opo, nung April po, 2016, panahon po ng kampanya, ibinigay po sa akin ng aking asset yung impormasyon tungkol kay Michael Yang at ipinakita niya yung picture na nasa loob sila ng eroplano, magkatabi si Michael Yang saka si then Mayor Duterte at si Bongo na nasa likod. Ang sabi niya sa akin, Sir, yan si Michael Yang, involved yan dun sa Davao na ni-raid nyo dati. Sabi ko, bakit siya involved? Basta involved yan, sir, na dun sa Davao. At lagi niyang kasama ngayon si Alan Lim. Sabi ko, sino naman si Alan Lim? Sabi niya, si Alan Lim, sir, yan yung nahuli sa Cavite. Pero na-dismiss ang kaso. So, yun po yung basic information na binigay sa akin noong 2016.
Colonel, I understand that your asset are giving or gave this information in confidence to you. Curious lang po ako. Do you see any possibility for this informant or asset to appear before this Quadcom hearing?
So totoo po, simula nung magtago ako, wala na po akong contact sa kanila eh. Hindi ko po nga ho alam kung because of the investigation doon sa Blue Ribbon, baka po nasunog sila eh. So hindi ko rin po alam kung buhay pa siya o nasaan na siya. Hindi ko po masagot kung pwede siya mag-appear dito.
Colonel, how genuine is the testimony that was given to you by this asset of yours?
I think what happened to me is the testimony na ito ngayon, ako yung hinahanap, gusto akong ipapatay. Kung hindi naman po totoo itong mga personality na itong si Michael Yang saka si Alan Lim, napakadali po nilang i-dispute eh. Sana ipinakita nila kagad si Alan Lim saka si Michael Yang. Si Alan Lim hindi na po nagpakita eh. Bakit hindi siya nagpakita? Kasi po meron siyang record sa drugs eh.
In other words, Colonel, the reason why you strongly believe that there is truth behind that information, not only because you believe that the information is genuine, is because of what happened to you as a repercussion of what you disclosed in the investigation report. Tama po ba yun?
Tama po. Saka yung po yung asset kasi is reliable po yung asset kasi.
I hope, Colonel, we can find ways on how we can locate this asset and see the possibility of having him in one of the Quadcom hearings, Colonel Asherto.
Pwede po yun. Wala pong problema yung sa akin. Ang problema lang ho is talagang masakit man aminin. Talagang hindi ko po alam kung talagang buhay pa siya eh.